Hi friends, what's up? This is K from 360 Data. It's time to learn how to delete Gmail account from iPhone and iPad. iOS offers a pretty seamless way to set up and use the Gmail account on iPhone. Hence, you can sync your entire Gmail contacts with iPhone and manage them with ease. But what if you no longer want to sync your iPhone with a Gmail account? Worry not, as there is a quick way to securely delete Gmail account from iPhone and iPad. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. First and foremost, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Mail. Now choose Accounts. Then select the Gmail account you want to get rid of. And finally tap on Delete Account and then confirm the action in the pop-up menu, and that's pretty much it. You have successfully removed your Gmail account from your iPhone and iPad. Later, if you ever happen to change your mind and want to sync your iPhone with a Gmail again, return to the same setting and then choose Google. After that, sign in using your Gmail account and password, and that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time.